What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can master the 3D parallax effect while animating your album covers. So let's not waste any more time, let's dive into it. So first of all, you'll need to open Photoshop and simply try to separate the different elements in the album cover. So example, you have to separate the teddy bear from the background. So we're going to do all that. So first of all, you're going to select the selection tool. So I'm going to select this one. And I'm simply going to start with the bear. So simply just go all over him to select him correctly. So as you can see, I finished selecting the bear. So what you can do, simply copy it and paste it into another layer to separate it from the rest. And now as you can see how our teddy bear is separated, and now what you can do is simply clean up the imperfections just by selecting the parts that you don't want no more and removing them. So now that you separated the teddy bear from the original cover, what you can do now is simply hide the layer where you have your teddy bear right there, select your original layer and simply select the teddy bear in the original layer. And what you're gonna do afterwards is simply delete it from the cover. So simply go ahead and click on generative fill, click on generate, and this will delete the teddy bear from the cover. So simply go ahead and right click on this generative fill layer and click on merge down. Now what you can do is simply do the same for each and every single element in the picture. So I'm going to do the same for the caps right there, and I'm also going to do the same for this platform and the text. So I'm finally done with masking all of the other objects inside of my Photoshop project. So as you can see, everything is separated. So what you can do is simply save this project right there, and you're gonna have to open After Effects, create a new project, and what you're gonna do is simply select your PSD folder that you just saved and simply drag and drop it inside your After Effects project and just scale it down so it can fit into the composition. Now as you can see, every layers got imported into our After Effects project. But now the next step is to simply make it into 3D for this parallax kind of effect. So today I'm going to show off my 3D5 Pro plugin, which will simply allow you to make this 3D parallax effect in one single click. So all you can do is simply go ahead and click on create 3D camera and layers. This will activate the parallax effect, and it don't seem like much right now, but it got converted into 3D as you can see. And in the UI you can actually control the position of the camera, and you can also make the room size bigger or smaller. The room size is essentially just how far away the layers are from each other, like this. Alright, now let's say you want to add a little camera shake to make it a little bit more realistic. You can also do that. As you can see, we got a camera shake and it's pretty good, but the background is kind of cropping out. So what you can do is simply select your background and click on expand selected layer, and here's your problem is fixed. Now what you can do is simply make a 3D camera animation movement simply by selecting your camera, creating a keyframe right there, going a bit forward into our animation, and simply just dragging the cursor like that. Alright. But I don't think it's the best way because it takes a bit of time to do right. So I got another plugin for that. It's called Automation 3D, and basically it's just a couple of 3D animations presets for the 3D camera. So just make sure to select your 3D camera and go in zoom in, or any kind of preset you want to add it to your 3D camera. I'm gonna do a simple zoom in, and I'm simply gonna apply animation. This is gonna create two keyframes right there, as you can see, and now I can simply make it last longer or shorter. As you can see, don't zoom in enough, so what I'm gonna do is simply play with the strength for it to be a bit stronger. I'm gonna also make it a little bit shorter, and I'm gonna apply easy ease simply by clicking on that to make the animation smoother. So just like that, I got a parallax animation effect just in a couple of clicks. And if I want to zoom out, simply just select the zoom out from the preset, click on apply animation, and that's what you get. And if you guys want a hold of these two plugins right there, I have a bundle right there in the description. You can grab a copy. The bundle combines these two plugins, and so you don't have to buy them separately, which is really a big money saver. But as you can see, the cover animation lacks a little bit of substance because there's no character animation, there's no background animation, and all of this can be seen in this video right there. So if you want to know more about animations in general in After Effects, don't hesitate to watch this video right there.